In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 camera not working on Zoom. So click on Start, type here Settings. Now here click on Privacy and Security. Click on Camera. Now turn on Camera Access and turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera. Find out Zoom and turn on. Turn on Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera. Now close it and restart. If this method not work, so try second one. Click Start, type Device Manager. Expand camera. Right click on camera, update driver. Select this first time, search automatically. Close it. If it will not work, so again update driver. Now browse my computer. Let me pick from a list and select your camera. Still you are facing problem. Right click on it, uninstall device. Now close it and restart. Hopefully guys, using these steps we can fix Windows 11 camera not working on Zoom. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.